Introducing the revolutionary Kolver K5 Torque Tester, the ultimate solution for precise torque measurement. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, the K5 Torque Tester is a game-changer for any industry seeking to improve product quality through accurate torque control. The K5 Torque Tester boasts high-performance circuitry that collects, stores, and downloads torque measurements with utmost precision, enabling comprehensive analysis of tools and joints. Its dual transducer capability, with a built-in transducer and the ability to connect to an external transducer, provides unmatched versatility for various measurement requirements. The tester offers multiple measurement units, including Newton meters, inch pounds, and more, accommodating different industry standards and preferences. It facilitates both clockwise and counterclockwise measurements, ensuring adaptability in diverse applications. The K5 Torque Tester is equipped with 125% transducer overload protection, safeguarding it from potential damage caused by excessive force. With a minimum torque of 2.7 inch-pounds and a maximum torque of 44.3 inch-pounds and a drive size of 1/4 inch, this tester is ideal for a wide range of applications. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Kolver K5 Torque Tester. Its exceptional precision, versatility, and durability make it an indispensable tool for quality control in various industries. Invest in the K5 Torque Tester and experience the confidence that comes with precise and reliable torque measurements.